In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective method to ensure all your text fits neatly onto a single page in Microsoft Word. This is particularly useful if you're preparing a document for printing or just want to maintain a clean and professional layout without any text spilling onto a second page. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. Navigate to the document, open it, and take a look at how the text currently sits on the page. Often, when working with Word, you might find that adding just a few extra lines of content can unintentionally push your text onto a second page, which isn't always ideal. Thankfully, there are a couple of straightforward ways to adjust the layout so everything fits just right. One option to consider is decreasing the font size. If your document can retain its readability with slightly smaller text, this method can save space efficiently. Simply highlight the text that needs adjusting, then navigate to the font settings. You can usually find this at the top toolbar in Microsoft Word or by right-clicking the highlighted area. Once there, reduce the font size incrementally, checking periodically to ensure your text is still clear and legible. Alternatively, another useful approach is to adjust the document's margins. This isn't so much a trick as it is an underutilized feature. By reducing the size of the margins, you essentially allow more space for your content to sit within the boundary of the page. To adjust the margins, go to the Layout tab at the top of the page. Click on Margins, and from here you can select Custom Margins to specify just how much you want to tweak them. By narrowing the margins, you might find you have enough space for your entire document to fit comfortably on one page. Once you've applied either of these changes, review your document from start to finish. Make sure the text adjustment hasn't made your document look crowded or hard to read. This balance is crucial. You don't want the document to appear cramped. It's all about maintaining a professional and pleasant appearance while being resourceful with your page space. And just like that, with a few simple adjustments, you've managed to fit all your text onto one page, making your document cleaner and easier to handle, especially when printing or sharing electronically. Congratulations on completing this task efficiently, and remember that these techniques can be applied whenever you need a quick formatting fix. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you'll join me for more tips and tricks in future videos.